Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to practice set 8 of present tense. Students, here there are 40 sentences of each tense. So first of all, we are going to solve the sentence of simple present tense. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense form given in the bracket. So student, we all know that in simple present tense, what are the form? Subject plus V1 or V5. So student, the verb is given here. The verb is given in the bracket. So we have to use V1 or V5 according to the subject. So come on here student. Number 1, what is the subject? My father. So for my father, what will be the verb here? V1 or V5? V5. Wakes. My father wakes. My father usually wakes up at 5. Number 2, the Taj Mahal. The subject is here, the Taj Mahal. So for the Taj Mahal, what will be the Taj Mahal is a singular subject. That's why what we will write here? Stands. The Taj Mahal stands on the bank of the river Yamuna. Number 3, the two brothers look alike. Here student, what is the subject? Two brothers look alike. They dash their father. So student, here the subject is what? They. And they is plural subject. And that's why what will be here? V1. So what will be here? Subject? Resemble. Number 4, my friends often dash me present. My friends, what is the subject here? My friends. So the subject is plural here, that's why we will use V1 here, send, not V5. Now number 5, my father. What is the subject here? My father. My father is a singular subject. That's why here singular subject and we is plural subject. So and what is the verb we have to use? Go. So here student, we write goes. My father goes because the subject is singular, but here we is plural, that's why we will write go. My father goes to his office and we go to our school at 10 a.m. Now the next sentence is student, number 6. Do you usually dash in water? Do you? What is the subject here? You. So according to you, what will be the verb here? Bath. Only bath. V1. B-A-T-H. Number 7. Very long novels. The subject is here very long novels. So this is a plural subject and that's why what we will write? Interest. My long novel interest me. Number 8, no, this book dash to me. So this book is a singular subject and that's why we will use V5 here, belongs to me. Number 9, always dash the truth. So here there is no subject, this is imperative sentence and that's why we will use speak here. Always speak the truth. Number 10, the earth dash around the sun. So student, the earth is what? Singular subject and that's why we write V5 here, revolves around the sun. So student, we have solved 10 sentences of simple present tense. Now we are going to solve 10 sentences of present continuous tense. So look at the sentence here. We all know that what is the structure of present continuous tense is RM plus verb ing form. Subject plus is RM plus verb ing form, then object. So here we have to use what? Here we have to use is RM plus verb ing form. The verb is given in the bracket. So number 1 student, look, the sun is rising. Sun is singular now, so it is rising. The sun is rising. Number 2, the commission dash its report. So student, here commission is collective noun and it is singular. That's why the commission is preparing its report. This is the correct answer. Number 3, why dash you a noise? So here you is the subject, you is the subject. That's why what will be for you, what is the helping verb? Are. Why are you making a noise? Number 4, we dash for Darjeeling tomorrow. So we is the subject here. For we, what will we write? Is RM. Are. We are leaving for Darjeeling tomorrow. Now the next sentence. Number 5, he dash still dash in his room. So for he, what will be here? Is. He is still sleeping in his room. Number 6, student, your finger. So your finger dash. Your finger is bleeding. Only one finger is written here. That's why what we write? Your finger is bleeding. Go to the doctor. Number 7, no, they dash to Kashmir. So for they, what will be we write? Auxiliary verb are. They are going to Kashmir. Number 8, water dash from the tap. So water is singular, that's why water is flowing from the tap. Number 9, students, what dash your sister dash do these days? So what is the subject here? Your sister. So for your sister, is. What is your sister doing these days? Here there is no need of do. What is your sister doing these days? Number 10, the principal dash to the teacher. The principal is speaking to the teacher is the correct answer. So student, we have done 10 sentences of present continuous tense. Now we will solve the sentence of present perfect tense. So student, we all know that what is the structure of present perfect tense? Subject plus has or have, and then verb third form. So the verb is given here in the bracket and we have to change according to the structure. So number 1, student, Urmila. So for Urmila, what will be? Has or have? Has. Urmila has not see verb third form, seen. Urmila has not seen the red fort. Number 2, your officer will be angry because you after you, what will be? Has or have? Have. So you have not walked properly. Number 3, Sonia dash Resma since 1987. So known is the verb here. Sonia has. What will be after Sonia? Has. Sonia has known, Known. V3 is known, Reshma since 1987. Number 4, for you, what will be the subject here? Interrogative sentence it is have. So have you taken bath? Number 5, here is your notebook. I have corrected it. For after I, what will be the auxiliary verb? Have. I have corrected it. Subject plus verb, subject plus has have or V3. So I have V3 corrected it. So student, we have done 5 questions here. Now the next one. Number 6, I dash already dash this film. So for I have already seen this film. Seen. V3 is seen. Now how many sums dash he dash? So for he, what will be the auxiliary verb? Has. So how many sums has he solved? Number 8, dash he dash back. So for again he, what will be the subject here? Has. Has he come back? Number 9, they dash their project work. So they have, after they have finished, they have finished their project work. Number 10, this disease dash many children. So this disease is singular, so has killed. This disease has killed many children. So student, we have solved 10 sentences of present perfect tense. Now we are going to solve 10 sentences of present perfect continuous tense. So what is the structure of present perfect continuous? Subject plus has or have, then been, then verb ing form. So we will follow the structure here, student. Come on. Example number 1, sentence number 1, malaria dash this city since July. So malaria has been raising, raising this city since July. Number 2, it is the subject. So for it has been, is compulsory. Now rain is the verb here, so it has been raining. Number 3, he. So for he has been writing. He has been writing. Number 6, student, she. So for she, what will be the auxiliary verb here? She has been. So she has been. Give is the verb. She has been giving. Now number 5, since when dash Asha dash in this school. So Asha is the subject here. So since when has Asha been studying? Now the next one, students. Next one, number 6. Suman and Geeta dash for fever since Sunday. So Suman and Geeta is plural subject, so have. Suman and Geeta have been suffering. Suman and Geeta have been suffering from fever since Sunday. Number next one, you. You is the subject here, so for you have. Have you been, what is the verb? Write. Have you been written letters for 1 hour? Number 8, she does not dash for 1 hour. So she, after she has not been studying. She has not been studying for 1 hour. Number 9, what is the subject here? The gardener. So for gardener, has the gardener been water? So watering the plant since morning. Now number 10, for how long dash you dash here. So you is the subject, so for you have. For how long have you been sitting here? For how long have you been sitting here? Question mark. So here, student, we have done the sentences of present tense of all forms. So we have done 40 sentences in this practice set, students. So let's keep watching my video lecture, students, and keep watching the practice set. I will come with the practice set of past tense in the next video lecture. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel and like it and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you once again.